Hello everyone, this is Meng from Internet, and today we will be attempting a world record about pistol squat, which is known as single leg squat. I have seen the video of Igor from Next Workout that he did 18 pistol squats in a row. It looks really gruesome, and let's see if I can beat that challenge too. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and like our channel so you can see more good content that will about to come out. And then let's talk about the rules of the pistol squat. Is that you need to go with one leg all the time, all the way down, just so long that your feet does not touch the ground, and you come back up. That is one time, and you need to do it consecutively for the span of 30 seconds. If you can do more than 18, then there is a world record. So I'll be trying to do 19 or more. Let's see if I can do it. And of course, credits to Igor from Next Workout for this inspiration. Let's do it. 可以的，可以的，加油！修身。
Okay, alright. 3, 2, 1, start.
Yes! I've completed 25 times, and that's Guinness World Record. Yeah. Much love and gratitude. It's really tight in my legs right now, and it's so feeling the soreness coming up. Just crazy. And no mind for the bruise. Was carrying some heavy things, but all good. And in this video is in response to Igor's from Next Workout, and of course taking the challenge further, and we will be challenging Brownie, be challenging Heria, as well as Brandon Williams. Let's have fun together, and of course challenge to Iceman Wim Hof too, if he's doing that. Still remember me, the Asian Iceman. Let's do fantastic things. Let's go all the way here from Malaysia. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be having much more great content, and you will definitely enjoy it, I promise. See you in the next video. Bye everyone. Cheers.